What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another Tech Inc. video. Today we're going to be looking at the iPhone 5S. What did it bring to the iPhone, and can it still be used in today's modern age? Well, let's take a look. Alright, starting with the unboxing, the iPhone 5S came in 3 different colors. We had silver, black, and rose gold. It comes right here. We got silver. Inside the box, you've got the Apple earbuds, or more of earphones, a power brick, and a charger that we didn't have. Then we have the manual. Came with a SIM card reader and some instructions or papers. We have the diagram of the iPhone 5S, the phone info, and 2 Apple stickers. Booting the phone up, the iPhone 5S came with iOS 7 and went to have major support till iOS 12. This particular phone has iOS 12 installed to it. Moving on to the setup, you can see here where this phone has had some yellowing to the display. Clicking on English and going through the setup, going past the internet, and we have iOS 12 installed onto this 5S. This phone came with a 4-inch display at 360 or 326 ppi at 640 by 1136. Many things were added to the 5S and still sometimes here, including the A7 chip with all new 8 megapixel iSight camera with True Tone flash, and including the new Touch ID fingerprint sensor right here, which continues to be used to this day. The iPhone 5S was showcased at the 2013 Apple keynote in June 10th and released on September 10th. Apple ended the production for the iPhone 5S in 2016. The iPhone 5S sold 9 million phones in the first 3 days and 125 million in total. Adding on from the iPhone 5, the iPhone 5S was the first ever iPhone to include the new Touch ID sensor. It also had an upgraded processor, the A7 chipset, and also was the first iPhone to showcase iOS 7. Keeping these features in mind, is it still possible to use the iPhone 5S in today's modern age? Well, let's see. Comparing the iPhone 5S to Apple's last supported device for iOS 18, the iPhone XR, we can still see that the iPhone XR dominates the iPhone 5S in every way. Additionally, the iPhone 5S runs iOS 12, Apple's operating system from 2018. Most apps we still use today won't be supported on iOS 12. While we innovate in new tech, the iPhone 5S also uses 4G. Yes, the iPhone 5S can still do many things such as browsing the web, listening to music, and texting, but it's recommended to upgrade if you're still using it. The iPhone 5S was a really cool phone back then, showing its amazing features and reliability, but in today's modern age, it's time to retire it. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, check out some other videos I made related to reviews. Bye!